In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Calendly. This process is simple but crucial for ensuring your availability matches up with both your schedule and those you're meeting with. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you arrive, you'll see several options on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, you'll want to click on the Availability tab, which is conveniently located in the left side corner. This tab is your gateway to setting your schedule and customizing your availability. Now, with the availability settings open, scroll down until you reach the section that displays your current time zone. It's important to note that your current time zone is the global setting that determines how your meetings are scheduled, so ensuring its accuracy is key if you want to avoid any scheduling miscommunications. Once you've found your current time zone, click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu or a list from which you can select your preferred time zone. Pay attention to choosing the right one, as even a slight error can throw your entire schedule off. If you travel frequently or need to sync with colleagues or clients across different regions, this feature will be particularly beneficial. After selecting the appropriate time zone, confirm your choice. You'll now see that your current time zone has been updated to reflect this change. You're now all set. From this point forward, any new events or meetings you schedule in Calendly will follow the new time zone you've set. Remember, keeping your time zone updated is especially vital if your work requires coordination with people in various parts of the world. This small step is a big part of professional courtesy and ensures smooth communication and scheduling for everyone involved. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your time zone in Calendly. This straightforward process can significantly enhance your scheduling efforts, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in managing your appointments. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to make adjustments again. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your scheduling tools. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.